Ever feel so scared before a presentation or speech that you can feel your heart racing and you know your voice is going to sound shaky? You're not alone. And here's the thing, those nerves aren't the enemy. In fact, I help leaders understand that nerves are an asset, not a weakness. That surge of adrenaline is just energy. It's your body getting ready to perform. So here are three quick ways to channel it. First, take horizontal breaths. Expand your lower ribs. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and then exhale for 6. Do this for an entire minute and you will feel calmer. Second, reframe your thinking. That adrenaline you feel is just energy. So instead of telling yourself you're scared or nervous, say, I'm energized and focused. Third, remember it's not about you. Instead of focusing on yourself and worrying about people's judgments, connect with your audience. You're there to serve them, right? The bottom line, regulate your nerves and you'll elevate your presence, clarity, and impact. If you want more practical strategies like this, check out my latest newsletter. I'll drop the link in the comments.